Hello, today I will talking about recipe of our food using sequence adverbs and cooking methods. Presented by Carmen Yoledi Joan Medina, Chabeli Martínez Flete, and Juan de Jesus Fernández. Let's get to the recipe. The food are fried fish, potatoes, and strawberry milkshake. First, buy 3 fish, a vinegar, oregano, salt, pepper, full seasoning, garlic, white flour, 2 pounds of potatoes, oil, and ketchup.
Then clean and wash the fish with the vinegar. Then season with the oregano, pepper, garlic, full seasoning, salt to taste, mix and set aside. Next, pitch and slit the potato in a stick and set acid.
After that, in a frying pan, pour the oil and turn on the stove. When it is hot enough, fry the potatoes and place in a bowl those that are already fried. After we finish frying, then put some flour in a pot and pass one by one the fish to be fried. Finally, we serve the fish and the potatoes, in addition to accompany them with ketchup. For dessert, we can make a frozen strawberry smoothie with milk, and a few pies of strawberries. Thanks.